Hiya friends and family, this is Isabella here. So I've just got an announcement to make. It's going to be a quick one. So on the 18th of April 2026, guys, the Umlazi Gospel Choir are celebrating their 10-year anniversary. So for those of you who don't know UGC, who've never seen the choir or heard about the choir, guys, Umlazi Gospel Choir is a gospel choir that was founded in Umlazi in 2016, and they're going to be celebrating their 10-year anniversary. You can Google them, guys. Go on YouTube, go on your socials, and you'll see videos of them circulating. For those of you already in South Africa, you'll see and you'll know what I'm talking about. But for people across the world, guys, Google them and you'll see the type of talent, God-given talent that they have. So on the 18th, they're having their 10-year anniversary. So in 2024, our church invited them to come and perform at our 10-year anniversary. And guys, there is so much talent there. Not only that, they are just a lovely, lovely group of people. So if you are in Cape Town, please go down and show them your support. So they're going to be having I would say concert basically in New Way Hall. That is in Khayelitsha, guys, in Cape Town. So you can purchase your tickets on CompuTicket, at ShopRite, or at your local Pick and Pay, guys. Please be there, invite friends and family. Tickets are running at an average of 300 for your regular ticket. VIP is 400 Rand. So guys, if you are in Cape Town, if you are planning a trip to Cape Town, go on and meet them. Stay blessed.